Good afternoon, everyone. I'm deeply honored and humbled to receive the AILA Elmer Fried Excellence in Teaching Award. As an immigration lawyer and clinical professor, I've devoted my career to training the next generation of advocates, judges, law professors, and attorneys who will fight for immigration, justice, and equality. Working with law students has been the most rewarding aspect of my career. I've had the privilege of working with incredibly talented and passionate students who are committed to making a difference in this world. Together, we have made many trips to the border, worked in Artesia, in Tijuana, and worked within the state of Tennessee to address complex legal, social, and economic factors that shape our immigration system and its impact on immigrant communities, especially those who are most vulnerable and marginalized. At the heart of my work is the commitment to racial justice and equality. We recognize that our immigration laws and policies have historically and continue to disproportionately impact people of color, especially Black and Brown immigrants. We also recognize that these racial inequalities are deeply interconnected with other forms of oppression, including sexism, homophobia, ableism, and economic exploitation. Throughout the history of immigration enforcement in the United States, we have seen time and time again how race and ethnicity have played a significant role in who is targeted, detained, and deported. From the Chinese Exclusion Act of 1882 to the discriminatory policies of the Trump administration, to the treatment of Haitians at the Del Rio border, to the ways in which Title 42 was implemented at our border. Our immigration system has been deeply intertwined with racism and xenophobia. Through my work with my law students, I've seen firsthand the incredible potential of the next generation of immigration lawyers and advocates. I'm inspired by their passion, their commitment, and their unwavering dedication to the justice and human rights of immigrants. As educators, we must equip our students with the tools they need to fight for justice and equality, to become leaders in the field of immigration law. This means not only imparting legal knowledge, but also helping students develop critical thinking skills, cultural humility, and empathy for individuals and families impacted by immigration policies. By teaching the next generation of immigration lawyers, we can ensure that the fight for justice and equality will continue for years to come. I would like to thank my colleagues at Vanderbilt Law School for their support and encouragement, as well as AILA for this honor. I would also like to express my gratitude to my family, who have been my constant source of inspiration and support throughout my career. Finally, I want to dedicate this award to the many immigrants and refugees who have enriched our country with their talents, culture, and resilience, who have bravely resisted the injustices of our immigration system. They remind us that we are all connected and that we all have a responsibility to uphold the values of justice, compassion, and human dignity. Thank you once again for this incredible honor.